Okay, we're doing Sanhedrin Hasbar 2b. The second part, again, we're learning Gemara Sanhedrin, fourth parak, Echadini Mamanos. Again, we're in Daf Lamed Bet, Lamed Bet. And Rav Papa just taught us about that the difference between the Braita and the Mishnah is the Mishnah was talking about a case of Maruba, suspicion, and the Braita was talking about a case that was not suspicious. So Rav Shlakish, it's very similar to something that someone named Reish Lakish taught. Kid Reish Lakish, just like Rav Shlakish taught us. What did he teach us? To Rav Shlakish, Rav Shlakish saw a contradiction between two verses in the Torah. Ksiv, one pasuk is written, B'tzedek tishbod amisecha, you shall judge my people with righteousness. Uksiv, and another pasuk says, Tzedek tirdov, with righteousness and righteousness you shall surely pursue. And when it comes to cases, you need to do tzedek, extra righteousness. That's why it uses the double words, duplicate words. So Rabbi Shlokish wants to say, well, if you tell me to judge my people with righteousness already, then why do you have to tell me to surely use righteousness and righteousness to pursue when it comes to judging? Ha-ketzad, how do you do this? Each verse must be talking about something different. Kan, one pasuk is talking about bedin meruba, a suspicious case. V'kan bedin she'en meruba, and one pasuk is referring to a non-suspicious case, very similar to Rav Papa talked about. Our Mishnah talking about a suspicious case, and the Braita talking about a non-suspicious case. So when the Torah says tzedek tirdof, you should surely pursue righteousness, that's talking about a case that is very suspicious. You need extra tzedek to check it out. But when a case that's not suspicious, then you need just regular tzedek, regular righteousness when it comes to judging. Okay. Comes along Rav Ashi, now he brings it all together. He brings Rav's opinion, Rav Papa's opinion, and Rav Chanina, and he says, Rav Ashi Omer, Masnisin Kedashinan Kare. We can learn the Mishnah either way. We can learn it according to Rabbi Chanina, we can learn it according to the view of Rava, and according to Rav Papa. Masnisin Kedashinan Kare. We can read the Mishnah and the Braita to any one of these opinions it works. He just says, though, however, that we can apply this idea of Rav Shlakish, of the Mishnah and the Braita, Echad Lidin. Our Mishnah is talking about a case where we're very strict, and therefore, in the case of monetary case, we follow the exact letter of the law, Lidin, and therefore we need Drisha v'Chakira. Ve'echad Lefshara. And the Braita is talking about a case of compromise. Well, you can compromise the case. You don't have to do Drisha v'Chakira. Maybe you can get the two parties to agree on some sort of compromise without going through the detailed and difficult process of Drisha v'Chakira, and therefore, that's according to Rav Ashi. Our Mishnah is talking about a strict letter of the law, following the strict letter of the law, and the Braita, when it says it doesn't need Drisha v'Chakira, is talking about a case where they got the two arguing parties to compromise.